Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your archived emails on Gmail. It's pretty quick and easy. Now I am on my Android. You can use same steps on your iPhone as well, or if you are on computer. Now I'm just going to go to browser here, and then in the search bar I'm going for this gmail.com or mail.google.com here, and I have my inbox here, and I will walk you through the steps of archiving an email and showing you where it is. So you can see, you want to archive an email, just hold and swipe left on that email that you want to archive, and you can see that little red archive button. Just tap on this archive. So at the very bottom it says this email has been archived. Now to be able to find it, let's tap on these three bars in the top left, and we will tap on this where it says all mails. Just tap on it. Now unfortunately Google makes it a bit confusing because you archive these emails but there is no archive folder. It's all bucket into the all mail folder. So you will see next to here is the Upwork email I just archived, but you will see also different ones on here that say junk or inbox or certain folders there. So this will show you every single email that you have. If there is no basic label to the right of there, so you can see junk to next these emails. If there is no indication of a label on any of these, then it has been archived. As you can see, all the mails have these kind of label, but this Upwork notification has no label because this is the one I archived. So there is no label on this. So of course you can always just tap on it to open it up, to read them, to basically at the very top right bring them back to your inbox. If you want to do that, you just have to tap on this move to inbox and it will be get back in your inbox. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.